A very good morning, students. This is your English teacher Benu Sairawat and I welcome you all to RKP online classes. So today we'll continue with the same topic, that is non-finite verbs, and so far we have covered what non-finite verbs are, and its first type, that is infinitives. We have covered the first type of infinitive, that is to infinitive, and today we are going to discuss about the second type of infinitive, that is bare infinitives. Okay, now what is a bare infinitive? Like in to infinitives we always add to before the verb, right? But bare means without. Okay, so bare infinitive is without to, so it is simply the first form of verb. Okay, so let's discuss how bare infinitive is used in various scenarios. Okay, so first is we use bare infinitive with modals. Now modals are auxiliary verbs. Okay, they act like helping verbs, right? And like can, could, may, might, ought to. Okay, all these are modals. Okay, and we use modals to seek permission, to give permission. Okay, and to give advice, or we also talk about the possibility of something. Okay, so for all these things we use models, and models are also of two types, we can say. First is model auxiliary verbs, model auxiliaries. Now model auxiliaries are never used as main verbs in the sentence. Okay, they are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Okay, these are all model auxiliaries. Then second we have marginal auxiliaries. Okay, now marginal auxiliaries are like dare or need, which can also be used as the main verb in the sentence. Okay, so that is the reason we call them marginal auxiliaries. Okay, so coming back to the point, we use bare infinitive with modals. Okay, so let's frame a few sentences and try to understand this. Now first is, we can say it may rain today. Okay, it may rain today. So now we see here, this is our model. Okay, and we did not use to rain here. Okay, no, that will be incorrect. So this is how we do not use to before the verb. Okay, let's take one more example here. They will visit us tomorrow. Now beta, this is our model here. Okay, this is the model, and this is the main verb. Okay, so instead of writing to visit, we will use bare infinitive here. Okay, so this is how we use bare infinitive with modals. Okay, like it may rain today and they will visit us tomorrow. Now I would like to talk about dare and need. Okay, the marginal auxiliary I told you. Dare and need. Now beta, when these two models, these two auxiliary verbs are used in negative sense, okay, we use bare infinitive. okay, when they are used in negative sense, okay. In that case we always use not after the auxiliary verb, okay. For example, he dare not come here, okay. So it means he doesn't have courage to come here. So we said he dare not come here. Now if you notice, this is the verb and we did not use to with it, okay. So we did not use to with it. So this is how it is supposed to be used, okay. Second sentence can be, you need not go there, okay. You need not go there. Now if you see here, you need not go, we did not use the verb in to infinitive case, okay. That would be wrong to use it this way, okay. So this is how when dare and need are used in negative sense, we use bare infinitive with that. Is that clear? Alright. Now another case is when the same models dare and need are used as the main verb in the sentence. So this is dare and need as the main verb, as main verb. Alright, so let's frame the sentence here. He dares to challenge me. That means he has courage to challenge me for something, okay. Now if you see here, when what I want to tell you is, when dare and need are used as the main verb in the sentence, we use to infinitive with that. This is one exception here, okay. This is the exception. When dare and need are used as the main verb, we use to infinitive with them, okay. Now you can see here, this is the verb, this is the model, but here it has been used as the main verb, and that is why, as I told you, we will use to infinitive with that, okay. Let's take one more example with need also. She needs my help now you can see here, she needs my help to solve, okay. This is the to infinitive here, and because the verb need, the model need, has been used as the main verb here, we have used to infinitive to solve here. I hope till here the things are clear with you, like how we use bare infinitive with models, and of course the exceptions, okay, where the to infinitive is used at the place of infinitive, and that is dare and need when they are used as the main verb in the sentence. Alright, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.